Are you looking for natural ingredient, high performing dishwashing tablets which are vegan and cruelty free? Join me today as I do a review on the Naked Wonder Tabs by Wablu. Wablu Care kindly gifted me some of their products to try out, so look out on the next coming videos for some product reviews of theirs, but today we're going to be focusing on their Naked Wonder Tabs for the dishwasher. There are 40 tablets and I love the packaging. They say they're plastic free and 100% biodegradable and with natural ingredients, 99%, so I absolutely had to try them out. I love the packaging, very thin and very bright and also it just tells you can use one tablet for your standard cycle or you can use 2 tablets for greasy cycles, but today we're going to focus on the 1 tablet. So I'm going to try and gracefully open this. As you know, I'm really not graceful opening boxes without damaging them, but I tried, and this is what the tablets actually look like inside. They're so tiny, but I'm excited to try them out as there are 40 of those inside this tub, so let us try them out. They do say that they are microplastic free, no sodium sulfates and zeolites to pollute our water, so let's try it out. This is going to be our standard cycle, and I was actually very impressed with how clean and glistening the plates came out. As you can see, 100% liking how well they worked on my standard, and I'm going to try it out on a little bit more on a heavy greasy cycle, so we're going to clean this tub as well. I'm excited to see how well it works because, you know, I do try to feature more eco-friendly and plastic-free natural products on my channel, but I want to always show you the ones that actually really work, because there's a lot of products out there that claim to be plastic-free and natural ingredients and they don't work. But oh my goodness, look how well that has come out. 100% happy with that. I know it needs a little bit more work on the outside. It's gonna need some elbow grease or, you know, the pink stuff to remove that, but I was more focused on the grease to see how well the grease actually comes off. So absolutely 100% glad that I tried this product out, and I'm so happy to recommend it to you guys. So they are called Wablu and this is their Naked Wonder tablets, and they do work very well. So if you're looking for some more products which are, you know, biodegradable and natural ingredients only, I highly recommend you guys try them out. This is the first time I've had these tablets, so I've used them maybe like a few times in the last 2 months, and I'm very happy with how well they work. So they're going to be a staple in my home, and 1 tablet for a standard cycle and you know, 2 tablets for greasier stuff. So overall, very happy, and I highly recommend you guys check them out. I found them on Instagram. I will link their bio and information on the link below. If you guys enjoyed this video and are enjoying this type of content, let me know in the comment section below. And if you use any other natural ingredient dishwashing tablets, please let me know in the comment section below. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.